Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the DPO PayGate plugin for the osCommerce system. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is download the plugin from the GitHub repository. Once it's downloaded, you're going to want to open your downloads folder and move the zip to a safe location. This location could be the desktop, or it could be a downloads folder, or anywhere in your computer, as long as it's easy to find. Once you've moved it to your desktop, you're going to want to double click the zip to extract it. If you're using a system like Windows 7 or earlier, you might need to download an application like WinZip to extract it. But from Windows 8 onwards, double clicking will extract the file. Once extracted, you're going to want to open the newly extracted folder and open the PDF inside there. Now, if you look at this PDF, you will see that it's a three-step process. The first step, as you can see, is to extract the contents of the zip, as you've done. The second is to upload the includes folder to the osCommerce folder on your site. This can be done using an FTP client such as FileZilla or many others. We recommend FileZilla because it's easy to use and it's free. So let's do that now. Step 3 can only be completed after the file is finished uploading. Once it's finished uploading, you're going to need to log into your osCommerce backend. When logged in, it's going to look like this. If you're using a bigger monitor, it will look bigger, but the differences are marginal. Now what you need to do is go to Admin Modules Payment section. This page is the admin page, so if you look on the left here, it says Modules. If you click there, it shows Payment. Now on this payment page, you'll see at the top right corner it says Install Module. You're going to click on that. And as you see, the PayGate payment method has already been copied over. So all you're going to do now is click Install Module. As you can see, PayGate has been listed as a payment method alongside cash on delivery and PayPal. On the side here, this is the test card info. So if you need to pay with the PayGate PayWeb model and you need to do a test, then this is the test card and expiry date you need to use. But we're not done yet. What you're going to do next is click the edit button. And in here, you're going to add your PayGate information. If it's your test ID, then you put the test ID here. Test encryption key, you put the test encryption key here. Email address, it's usually your administrator's email. And then order status, this will be, it depends on how many statuses you have. You have custom statuses or the standard, which is pending, processing, and delivered. Payment zone will be if you have various zones in the country that you need to access. And the sort order of display, you can leave it as is. Debug mode is used if you're having errors on the system and you need to find out if it's a system-based error or card-based error, then you set it to true and it'll show you all the errors. Once you've added your ID and your key, click Save. And your PayGate PayWeb module will be active. And that's all there is to it. Thank you and good luck.